Hello everyone, back with our classes, online class. I hope all of you are fine. So I hope you people have watched with our first session, first video that was for social studies, and in that video we have completed half of the lesson, isn't it? So as I was watching that video, I remembered one thing. There was a day in our school where we used to say that you people should not use mobile phones, no electronic devices, and one A4 size sheet was also given to your parents so that they can write it down that how much minutes, how much seconds you people used to use mobile phone. Then afterwards, after 1 month, that sheet was again given back to us, isn't it? But now see how lucky you people are that, excuse me, how lucky you people are that again you people can use mobile phones, but for studies, isn't it? Yeah. So yes, we have completed half of the lesson in our first session of that was for social studies. But now today let us start with general science. So all the second class student, I want you to take out your term reader, science, page number 88, lesson number 1, plant life. So what is plant? Have you ever seen a plant? Yes, you have seen many plants. In our schools or also plants are there. So many trees are there, isn't it? At your homes also, and when you're going on a road also, you can see many plants are there. So this lesson, it will teach you that how the plants will grow. There are different types of plants. It is not like that every time you will have a same one type of plant that is of same height, same length. No, there are many plants. Some plants are tall, some plants are small, short. Okay, so let us see which are those plants, what are the different names of the plants. Like some plants are called as trees, some plants are called as shrubs, some plants are called as herbs, some plants are called as what, climbers. But all these trees, plants, everything, they will come under plant only. So let us start. Plants grow all around us. Like us, plants are also living things. Yes, plants every day you can see plant. आप जब अपनी विंडो से बाहर देखो तब भी आपको दिख सकते हैं प्लांट्स, आप रोड में जाओ तब भी आपको प्लांट देख सकते हैं. नॉट इवन दैट, आई थिंक ईच एंड एवरी वन आर हैविंग वन प्लांट. विच वन इज दैट? तुलसी की पूजा, तुलसी प्लांट इज देयर. आप उसकी तो पूजा करते ही हैं, तो वो प्लांट तो है ही आप लोगों के घर में. इसके अलावा और भी कई प्लांट्स हैं जो आपके घर पर ही अवेलेबल है, isn't it? So these plants is very useful for the living beings, for us. Why? Because it will give us food, it will give us vegetables, it will give us oxygen. And these plants are also considered as a living thing. How it is considered as a living thing? वो तो एक ही जगह पे रहता है, प्लांट एक ही जगह पे है ना, वो जाता है, हिलता है, काम नहीं करता, कुछ नहीं. So but it is not like that. It is also considered as a living thing. Why living thing? Because we drink water. अगर हम पानी नहीं पियेंगे so definitely we cannot survive. Similarly, plants will also drink water. Okay, we eat food. Yes, plants will also eat food in the form of photosynthesis. We will grow. आप फर्स्ट क्लास में थे, फर्स्ट क्लास से सेकंड क्लास में आ गए, सेकंड से थर्ड, थर्ड से फोर्थ. यू पीपल आर ग्रोइंग ऑल्सो. सिमिलरली, जब कोई ट्री इतना स्मॉल रहता है तो डेफिनेटली वो ग्रो होता है. पहला वो इतना स्मॉल ही होता है, उसके बाद वो ग्रो होता है. सो लाइक दैट प्लांट्स आर ऑल्सो living things. They have different shapes and size. Some plants live for many years, others have a short life. Trees, shrubs and herbs are all plants. So yes, as I said you before, that they have different shapes and size. Not only different shapes and size, but also the color. The color of the leaf is same, but if it is a flower plant, definitely you have different types of flowers and they have different types of colors. रोज का रेड कलर रहता है, सनफ्लावर का येलो कलर रहता है, लिलीज वाइट कलर. सिमिलरली सो मेनी अदर टाइप्स ऑफ flowers are there which will have different colors. Similarly, plants, जितने भी plants, not only flower plants but even the fruits plants are also different. Vegetable plants are also different. So they have different shapes and size. So some plants live for many years, others have a short life. Yes, like how we will also live, we will die, Isn't it? Similarly, plants का भी, there some plants are there who will live for many years, but some plants are there who cannot live for many years. And even trees, shrubs and herbs all are plants. So जितनी भी ग्रीन कलर की आप अपनी सराउंडिंग में कोई भी आप ग्रीन कलर की आइटम देखते हैं विच इज रिलेटेड टू अ ट्री, विच इज रिलेटेड टू अ प्लांट, विच इज रिलेटेड टू अ फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, दैट ऑल कम्स अंडर व्हाट? प्लांट्स. So let us see what are the different types of plants are there. So first one is what? Trees. Trees are tall and strong plant. They can stand erect on the ground. They have a single thick and woody stem called trunk. So yes, trees, as the name itself says, trees are very tall and they are strong plant. They are strong plant, and even they can stand straight. Erect is the thing, but they can stand straight on the ground. आप कोई भी ट्री देखो, वो ट्री चेयर के ऊपर नहीं रहता या टेबल के ऊपर नहीं रहता. ओके, दे विल स्टैंड स्ट्रेट ऑन द ग्राउंड. And some trees, all the trees, they have what? Single thick and woody stem called trunk. So this brown color stem is there. So all the trees will have this brown color stem. That is nothing but that is a support for a tree, and this is called as what? Trunk. What is it called? Trunk. Their roots go deep into the earth. Most trees have branches. So what is over here? Now see, this is the trunk, this is the ground. Okay, so it doesn't mean कि यहाँ पे ground पे वो tree खड़ा हुआ है और ground के अंदर उसका कोई part नहीं है. No, ground के नीचे they have what? Roots. What do they have? Roots. I'll show you once. See, suppose for example, this is the ground, this is the tree. Okay, this is the tree. So this part of a tree is called as what? Trunk. Okay, this part of the tree is called as what? Trunk. This is the ground, and under the ground it will have what? Roots. What it will have? It will have roots. Next, their roots go deep into the earth. Most trees have branches. Trees live for many years. So these roots, they will go beneath. They go so deep into the earth. So deep into the earth. And most of the trees, they will have even branches. जिसको हिंदी में हम क्या बोलते हैं? टालियाँ, I think, क्या? हाँ? They will have what? Branches. Apart from branches, so these are the trees. They can live for many years. Okay, they will live for many years. So this is what tree. Trees will grow on a ground with the roots over there and with a heavy trunk, with a straight one, and some trees will have what? Branches. Next is what? Shrubs. Shrubs are smaller than trees. A shrub has many woody stems. So what is this? This is called shrub. For example, rose plant, मेहंदी plant, चाइना रोज. इवन आपके अगर घर के आइटम को ही देख लो, करी पत्ता रहता ना, करिया पत्ता या पुदीना, that all comes under what? Shrubs. Okay, even tulsi, this all comes under what? Shrubs. So what does have? They too have a wood, but that wood forms a stem. It is called as what? Stem. It will have a thick one, thick wood form of stem. Okay, its branches are very closely knit, so they look bushy. So what happens over here? which आप करी पत्ता ले लो, आप तुलसी का झाड़ को देखो, so सबके branches एक दूसरे से very closely related है, isn't it? एक दूसरे के ऊपर है, एकदम there is no space at all between that different type between the stems, isn't it? थोड़ा भी space नहीं. अगर आप trees को देखो, so you will have only one wood. That is called as what? Trunk. But if you look shrubs, whatever the stems are there are so many stems and that are related to each other, that are joined to each other, isn't it? So next is what? So that's the reason they will look what? Bushy. That's the reason they will look like what? Bushy. For example, now see this is one, this is one, this is one. एक दूसरे से क्या रहते हैं वो पूरे एकदम close रहते हैं. So that's the reason it will form what? Bushy. Next, some of these plants have thorns. Shrubs live for few years only. So some of the plants have what? Thorns. Thorns is nothing but कांटे. Which is that one plant which have thorns? Rose. Have you ever seen rose? Yes. आप कभी rose के plant को देखें? Today what you do? If you are having a rose plant at your home, just go to it and you see rose plant के साथ साथ उसकी जो stem रहते हैं, you will have thorns on that stem. Okay, उसको कांटे लगे रहते हैं. So that is a different, again a different type of plant. Not all the shrubs have thorns, but only in the shrubs also they have different types of plants. Some plants will have thorns, some of them will not have thorns, isn't it? So shrubs live for only few years. So the life capacity of this plant is only for few years. Trees grow for many years, but shrubs grow only for few years. There's a difference between trees and shrubs. So this one page is enough. Half of the lesson we have completed. Another half lesson we will complete in our part 2. Today is the part 1 of science, and day after tomorrow or in the next video we will complete our part 2 of science. So I want everyone to go through the lesson, understand the topic, watch the video 1 time, 2 time or 3 times, so that until you will not understand it, you just watch it. Because see, in the class it is somewhat different. We will explain the lesson, but in between, if you that time only if you get a doubt, we will clear at the time only. But here, if you are getting doubts, again and again you watch the video. I know you will understand it. Okay, so go through the lesson. Don't forget to read the lesson, because in the class we used to make you people to read one paragraph. You people will read, and that will improve your reading skills. But now here, as I cannot make you all to read, so at home only while watching the video, just first 2 times 3 times you read this lesson, then afterwards you can watch the video. Okay, till then, goodbye, take care.